Hello, hello, hello. How are we? How are you, Hugo?
I'm doing well. What about you? What about
I'm all
yourself?
right, thank. I'm all right,
Yeah.
thank you. It's been quite a
Where there,
quiet week.
yeah, there were some tech issues, but now everything is working again. That's the
Yes,
best.
it's conspired against me, but fortunately, touch wood, everything is working. Yeah, it was a chaos one. I had one this morning. I had Stuart on, and my audio cut out halfway through as he started
uh,
speaking. So I was trying to lip read. Um, Yeah, that was a bit chaotic, but yeah, here we are. Good to have you back. Anyway, you've been away from the charts for a little bit, so it's nice to
yeah,
have you back.
like a month. A month I didn't look at anything. I had some sorority stuff, I had some personal stuff, and then I was like, I will come back in September. Don't really. I think last month, the beginning of August, we had some really nice opportunities. I did like a I had a challenge account where I was playing on holiday with. And that went quite well. So I was like, okay, fuck it. I will step away. I will see it in a few days, a few weeks. Yeah. Have you been playing around with some orange juice?
I haven't played around with orange juice. What have I been? I've been trading. I've been doing quite a lot of stocks recently. Uh, a few
Mm.
altcoins. Oh, here we go. If anyone tuned in last week to the jalapeno trade, our ENA long has just hit full profit. Uh,
Oh, that's really nice.
so apart from that, not much else. Nothing's really caught my eye. It's been I don't know. I've not had the urge to touch much recently.
Yeah,
Which
I can understand. Yeah, for Bitcoin, it is not looking really great for me, to be honest. I don't. I think it looks shit
yeah,
because we had like the big uptrends, and yeah, I think we confirmed a sort of downtrend. Maybe the Bitcoin won't fly and we get like alts to pump. But yeah, it is not really
yeah.
looking well for the Bitcoin, in my opinion.
No, it's a
Le-
bit of a weird. It's been a bit
Yeah.
of a weird and boring month, hasn't it? So I say month, we're 3 days in, but the last couple of weeks, it just feels like there's a consolidation, but it feels like there's just so many headwinds on the horizon, and
Yeah.
this is a week that I didn't particularly want to be trading in. It's obviously we have red folder news every day this week. It's a shorter trading week. Um, yeah, I've taken the odd trade here or there to tide me over and pay the bills, but I've not really nothing
At
else
the
has really got me.
opportunities.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there's been a few things that I've bought dips on. I had a nice trade on hype. Um,
Always good.
played around with things.
How's because the team was selling, where's it trading on
Uh,
currently? That's what you said, our team could be dumping it or
Hyperliquid.
oh wow. Yeah, Hyperliquid. They had like big unlocks
Yeah.
coming up, right? I
So
remember it was like a
so
month
it
ago.
dumped. It dumped down, and I had a range to buy at. I had it marked out at 43.
At the
Yeah,
$40?
I had it marked out at $43. A range. I already have quite a nice bag of this anyway, but this was just to top up, and yeah, so I entered at 40. Let's look at my entry. My entry
Hmm.
was 43.64, and I was selling in the liquidity zone at 46.68.
Oh, nice.
So
That's a
it was a
nice
nice
trade.
little move up. A nice little move up. But yeah, nothing else has really got me excited. I'd love to come on and sort of say, oh, I'm really excited about crypto and all of it. I've just been a bit, yeah, nothing's caught my eye. And then gold is now just racing away at all time high.
Yeah, it's
Um,
literally made an all-time high a few minutes ago.
and I don't think it'll be the last all time high it makes this week.
No, I'm for the trading wise, I'm like hoping we get like a dump to the old all-time high, and I can long from there up. That's what I'm hoping
Mm.
currently.
Yeah. What? 3, 4, 5, 6. Or 3, 4, 5. 3,
I
5,
was more.
4.
I have 3,547. Well, I was
3,
looking at.
5, 4, 7, 2, 9.
Yeah, that
I
was the
have.
all-time high of Wednesday this morning during the night. I was like in a really quick. I was like, when is this? And it was like, okay, this morning. But yeah, I think that could be an opportunity for today. Yeah, Bitcoin. Yeah, I was like, we dumped down to the level I was looking at was 108, 107.5. I was like, okay,
Hmm.
if we are going to break this, it looks really bad. And we broke down to it, but we also got like a sort of pump back up. I'm not
Yeah.
sure what to do with it.
No. I just don't know, to be honest. I'm in some stuff. Thing is, everything I'm in swing is in really, really good profits. Like I'm in some, like I cashed in and took some chips off the table for my Nvidia short that I've been building,
Yeah.
and like I've not had any appetite to jump into anything particularly risky, given the fact that I've just landed a really nice short on Nvidia that I'm taking enough to tide me over on. It feels choppy. I mean, I was banging the drum for that shit. Well, every day that thing was over $180, I was shorting it.
That's a good trade. Where is it now
It
trading
feels,
on? Oh, yeah, it's 170.
yeah. I clipped a bit out yesterday when we went below 160, but this feels like it's all the Mag 7. To be fair, be interesting to see if Google can hold where it is.
Yeah, just like it got a 7% pump on pre-market.
Yeah, so there was a legal antitrust case that had been going on for them potentially to have to offload Chrome, and they've been allowed to keep Google Chrome.
Oh, that's nice. I was talking to someone who was working at Google and I found it quite interesting because now we have, of course, ChatGPT, and people are really doing a lot with ChatGPT. You're looking everything up. If I look like at my mom, she's only now using not Google anymore, but ChatGPT. And one of the big things where Google makes money off is from ads. But if you are not
Yeah.
using websites, people are not paying the ads. So how will that like evolve in the upcoming time? I'm like really curious how that will work out.
To be honest, I really like Google, and I think Google, because of that, has had an element of being undervalued. I mean, Google have implemented AI into their search mechanism. I think, in all honesty, the Google AI suite is probably up there. I'm not sure if you've had a chance to play around with it yet, but they've released Nano Banana this week,
No,
which is like
no
their
idea what it
image
is.
editing.
Nano
Their image
banana.
editing,
Oh, it
and
sounds
that's
fun.
blown up the internet.
Oh, I completely missed it.
So you can put in a picture and say what you want it to edit to, and it will edit the picture for you.
Oh, whoa, that's quite cool. I know, I didn't know I knew it.
Uh,
That's fun thing to
yeah,
play around with. Would work for with banners for you.
yeah.
Yes.
I mean, I've been playing around. I got access to Perplexity Comet a couple of weeks ago, the AI browser, and that thing is pretty. That thing's pretty mental. Um,
Oh,
I've been
yeah,
playing
that's quite
around to
cool.
see. I've been playing around with see how it's a on a workflow um, perspective, but also you can use it in the TradingView browser. So if you have
Hmm.
TradingView in your browser, so I'm trying to see how good it is at reading charts. So I've got a chart marked out where I can just sort of say to it like, what are the historical support and resistance levels for this? You can ask it if indicators hit as well. So it's
Oh,
interesting.
wow.
I
What's
found
it called?
where it's called Perplexity Comet.
Perplexity.
Yeah, if you need an early access code, I've got I think like 3 left, so I can send one across to you.
Oh, that would be really cool. I'd like to play around with it. Yeah, there are like so many nice things. Yeah, it is nice. But yeah, I did don't know yet. No, but yeah, I was I'm also trying to because I think I told you the other time that I was trying to trade with stats like based on probabilities. And
Yeah,
I haven't been online too much, but still, I think it is so cool how that works. Like that is like a big system. They have like all the data. You can add the data. You can do less or more data, and you can literally see how big is the chance. Like in New York session, will there be a bigger wick to the low? Is it like sometimes there's like a 90% chance that we have a bigger wick to the low, so we need to go down at some point during the New York session or like the Asian session or London session or like on the week. It definitely helps with creating a bias, and I'm really curious if you can make like a bot out of it.
that I was going to pick your brains about that. We can do it offline, but I've been diving deeper into the world of quantitative finance, and I think there's quite a few things that I want to build in my head. So that might be something to pick up offline. But I've been building one. So I built one for gambling. So I built
Mm,
and I'm still refining it. But essentially, what it does is it will take. So I fed in some API, mostly about football.
yeah.
It calculates probable odds, and then I have it compare those probable odds against bookmaker odds to find where there's arbitrage, and
Oh.
then where there's arbitrage. So I'm back testing it now, but currently it's pretty good. I think I'm up something like 27% on per pound. So
Oh, that's quite good.
it's not bad. Essentially it's finding arbitrage, but I think it'll be really interesting. I
But
think
don't you
there's real
think like
scope for it. Yeah.
no, go ahead. But don't you think
I,
like your big opponents are like the betting websites themselves?
um, ish. It depends how you're doing it. So you can do it on exchanges, not crypto exchanges, but you
Yeah,
have
yeah.
betting exchanges where it's peer to peer. I know and I only know this because I've got a friend who's a bookmaker at one of the large ones doing tennis. Is essentially you have they don't accurately price everything to the probability because there's some stuff that they leave open for an A enticement value, but also B to try and balance books. So
Mm,
they'll run like the way they calculate their book is they'll aim for probability to have what's called an over round. So
yeah,
you may over round by 20%, and that's essentially your profit margin.
that's quite interesting.
Um,
Ah.
but that's an interesting one. And I
I
think
think
that'll be
there's
interesting in
definitely
crypto as we see prediction markets come in.
yeah. You have always the poly market hypes.
Yeah.
That one,
Oh,
but
this. Yeah. Now
but
Mr. Eric Trump is involved in Polymarket.
he's involved now. But like the
Yeah, he's
biggest thing
taken a
where
stake and is an advisor.
mm, they are buying everything the Trump family. It's getting scary in my opinion. But the
Yeah.
funniest thing on Polymarket, I'm not sure if it's still there. I'm now looking on their website. You can bet if Jesus is going to return to the earth this year. I'm like, what is that? How can you wait? Like,
oh,
yeah.
oh, I love
I
that.
also I also see here a great at Turnberg get arrested by September 30th. The chance 77%.
Oh yeah, yeah, she will. She if she got obviously she's got her little flotilla thing, isn't she? Which
Yeah. Oh yeah, the chance that
Oh,
Jesus is returning is 1%. It was at some point 4%. But yeah, but what I'm thinking, is it not for them to get like money in? Like that they say like we do it for a 4% interest rate. And then you gamble like
hmm.
against the dollar or anything. Like I think the chance that the dollar will move 4% is higher than that Jesus will return. And that's something I'm certain of because the chance that he will return, like yeah, it is so
Some of
funny.
these are quite interesting, though. Like, what have we got? AI, largest company by end of 25, Nvidia or Microsoft. Or
Hmm.
Perplexity acquire Chrome? No. OpenAI browser.
Yeah,
Hmm.
I'm so
Any good Trump
surprised.
ones?
Like, will MicroStrategy purchase Bitcoin on September 26th, and first August 26th, September the 1st? Like, why would you gamble on this? There's like a 0.2% chance.
This is, yeah, economy. It is pretty cool, though.
Yeah.
OPEC hike production, yes or no?
Yeah, it's so funny. Or like, what price will Bitcoin hit September 1st to 7? Like, ooh, gold is maybe eyeing up for a nice trade.
Ooh.
Mm, I want it a little lower. Maybe I will be buying in a position. We're getting to these levels.
I may or may not have a little dibble dabble with you.
Yeah, but I'm I'm looking to buy in the range of 49 to 47. Uh, yeah. It is not already. I just missed it.
Here we go.
This
Come back
one.
down, please.
Yeah. But yeah, the Jones opening.
Oh yeah,
Uh,
it's
it's in 23 minutes.
yeah.
Mm.
How do we think that's gonna do?
To be honest, I have no idea. I haven't looked into it. Mm,
It's all employment this week.
yeah, and it's definitely about the economy.
Yeah, so
Mm,
this will play into whether or not we will end up seeing the cuts.
oh yeah, of course. We can expect a big pump, but like Bitcoin had quite a dump in the last 15 minutes. Oh no, it's a few
Ooh,
$100.
yeah, it's a big candle either way.
Yeah, it's like a really undecided first 15 minutes. Seems pretty
Solana's
decisive at the moment.
Solana's the same. Solana's a
Yeah, I
red.
think everything like for me it's always like everyone is following the big boss Bitcoin.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm annoyed that I didn't take the trade, but yeah, it was not there. The gold. I was really tempted to market buy, but just didn't hit my level. Maybe it was coming back.
I bought some platinum the other day when
Ah,
that
but
was
for long
down.
term or
Yeah, well, it dumped down pretty aggressively. It had quite an aggressive dump down. I just thought, why
that's always
not?
nice.
Um, yeah,
Yeah.
it's getting to that bit where you just sort of like now starting to
Oh
starting
yeah.
to think about what I actually want to own.
Oh yeah, you bought it like when it was dump down to like 20 of the 1,350 in that range.
I've what this? What's this? Sorry.
At what price did you buy the platinum?
I bought the platinum at When did I buy it? It was last week. I bought it at 1,342.
Ah, yeah, that is a really good price. Yeah,
Yeah,
that is always
1,342.
good.
Because I'd had my eye on it. Obviously, we had the run up in the middle of the summer. This thing has just aggressively rallied, though. I remember our favourite Mr. Block Pro had been recommending this all throughout the year when it was under
Is this me?
$1,000.
What did you say?
Oh, are
Do you
you
hear me
in?
now? In what?
Yeah,
I just
are
missed it.
you in gold?
Not yet. Not yet. I'm like really looking to buy in now, but it's just not in my target. I should not change my
Scraped my
plan.
order. It scraped my order.
Yeah, I think I want to build a small position on it. I'm targeting the Ultima, yeah, but the Jewels open, yeah, and the jobs, it can have so much impact.
Yeah.
But Platinum is like, it's having a really good week, 4%. But
Yeah,
Platinum,
it's
I
up
think
to
I was looking at the range. It had like a really big consolidation from like the 2020 to like May 2025,
yeah,
and it
silver's been
had an
crazy as well.
explosive breakout.
Yeah, silver's been crazy as well.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, I
I
think.
didn't
But
get up for.
you're looking to buy more platinum and silver and these kind of stuff, or
Yeah, I think so. I think I've just got some cash, and Bitcoin isn't as appealing to me at the minute.
yeah,
Yeah. What? Oh, what are we open? Oh, Google up 8% on open. Nvidia's
ooh,
whipsawing.
now
Apple with a
I'm
nasty retracement. I should probably share my screen.
yeah, I'm just buying some gold now. Will this be good or not?
What is gold on?
I think your order got filled.
Yeah. Yeah.
But now I want to see profits. We both got filled.
Yeah.
That's always exciting. What was your fill order? I did the market one.
Mine was 3549.
Oh yeah, I have 35495. Yeah, oh, that could be a really nice one. I'm really hoping. I did a small one because I was hoping we would retrace a little bit more to like 35473. But yeah, we didn't manage to get that. But this is also good for me.
Yeah, this will be interesting. I mean, if Jolts goes the wrong way, it'll be interesting. I mean, it's looking good though. Platinum is just unreal, isn't it?
Yeah,
Like, that is a monster candle on platinum.
yeah, it's crazy. Just like
Stay
really
there.
pumping hard at him.
Should have bought down here before I came on stream.
That would have been amazing, but yeah, you cannot buy the lows every time. I
No,
think a wise
Palladium the
man told
same.
me, buy high, sell higher.
I agree.
Buy high,
That
sell
would be
higher. That's the best.
that on E. What's Bitcoin doing? This thing's just going to be whipsaw, isn't it? It's going to take out all sides.
Yeah, I have that feeling too, because we definitely get the liquidity coming in. Bitcoins are on the highest of the range. It's the range of like the 50-minute candle.
So anything that's doing particularly well, ENA, nice.
Uh,
IO.
oh, Is Self-Chain, did it go bankrupt?
They got delisted. They got delisted at Binance. So I was chatting
Ah,
to Justin this morning. I bought a bag earlier.
yeah, this is down 30% today.
Yeah, I bought a bag earlier. Bake's gone as well. If you look here.
No, wait, yeah. Ah, they delisted stuff.
Yeah, but they're both
Oh,
Binance-backed coins, so it wouldn't
yeah,
surprise me to see them resurface.
yeah, that could be a thing. And also, one project I'm always loving is Alchemy.
Yeah,
They
I
also
know.
they renamed their ticker. No, it's not ADS anymore. It's just Alchemy.
Is it just
They
alchemy?
renamed it. Yeah, they rebranded it. Alchemy US dollar.
Yeah, that's the 5 minutes of
Pumped really
BTC
hard
chat.
when they redid it. You got like
Yeah.
20% more tokens back. And yeah, you got like this. I think they put like a 20% bonus on your tokens when you got it back.
Okay.
So that was quite
Mm,
nice. And then but then it dumped down.
interesting. Interesting. Well, I got airdropped. I got airdropped like $400 or so from KuCoin.
Oh, nice.
So I got
Hmm.
those. I did sell them as soon as I got them. To be fair.
The instant sell. Yeah, but I'm like I really enjoy the project. They're one of the only projects that are making profits, and
Yeah.
literally with what the market cap is, they're really doing well. But it doesn't seem they don't have a good market maker or anything. I'm like waiting to at some point when it will really fly.
Well, here we go. Here we go.
Gold is looking better. I'm also watching it. I will take a little bit profits. Uh, I'll take 50% out because otherwise I can only be losing. And my target stays at 60. Um, I took some out at 5-4, so we got a small quick 40 pips in. Stop loss to break even, and we will see how it will work. Ah, Putin is ready to meet Zelensky. Putin, we are going against Ukraine. We are against Ukraine joining NATO. That's what he just said.
Mm.
I think we got
You
some.
believe him?
No, of course I don't believe him. But I think that put some liquidity in the market. Just
Give me a
before
look.
jobs opening,
Give me a
Putin is
nice
having
pump.
saying this.
Give me a nice pump, please.
The Putin says the world needs our oil and gas, otherwise you will all suffer with extreme inflation and poverty.
I mean, he's not wrong.
Yeah, that is definitely true. I'm curious what he will do and how's oil reacting on this. Let me. Oil is having like a straight line down. The oil prices on this tweet. You should check the 1 minute on oil.
In 1 minute on oil.
Yeah.
Oh,
There are some steep lines. But yeah, like if Putin is saying that they really will do stuff, I mean definitely people are buying it. I can understand that.
come
Uh,
on, gold. Give me a nice push.
did you take profit yet? I got a
I
half
took
out.
some. I took some. I
Yeah,
took 25% out.
I took 50 under
I went.
40 pips.
I went to go for when you did, but I wasn't there in time.
Yeah. Oh, it is not giving me a real direction. It's not. I think I'm not really happy at the moment with my. Maybe I'm looking to close it.
Come on, Jolts. Tell you what, I'm hoping Jolts gives us a really nice push up.
Yeah,
It's crap.
it should be nice.
Tell you what, though, it's looking quite nice on the 5 minute. This is showing quite a lot of strength.
Yeah, but then yeah, we got a really nice retest. I'm like debating if I take more profits or not. Like the retest was extremely nice. What we got? It got liquidity. Yeah, I think there's like liquidity on the trees until 360. 3,560, yeah.
Yeah.
There's like the range. On the 1 minute you can definitely see the gap.
Oh yeah, up here.
Yeah. There's some real nice liquidity. Maybe I'm going to I think I will close it and wait for a lower because it's not looking. I'm now waiting on the Jolts news, and that could be like literally both sides.
Yeah, that's my
No,
concern. I'm now
yeah,
30. I'm now about third out. I've moved my stop loss to break even.
yeah,
Would
that's also good.
like to see a push up to at least 355.
Yeah.
I have.
Mm,
I am also quite liking the idea of potentially setting my TP. I'm setting my TP. Oh, here we go. Come on, give us a push up. I'm setting my TP and hoping that we get taken out on a wick.
yeah. What? Putin asks if Zelensky can come to Moscow. I promise Zelensky safe passage. And also an interesting thing, I was talking to someone, and he was talking that because of course you have all the Russian paintings are done really, really bad.
Hmm.
And because of like all the sanctions, is it maybe a good time to buy some Russian paintings before before the war ends? Because they are all quite low
Oh,
currently, and
oh, here we go. You go. Come on. Push up. I just skimmed more off. I'm 60% out now.
yeah, I'm looking. I'm like 25% left.
I'm at a point now where I'm just gonna I'm I might leave it and see what Jolts does to me. Oh, here we go. Actually,
Mm, yeah, but I will looking to short like the 360 zone. I will lock that trade even in now. Market. This will be a signal. It will be buying
yeah,
at
we like
3 6.
signals.
3536. My stop loss will be 35362.5. Might take profit. No, we can do like 100
Come
100 pips.
on, keep
5
pushing.
0. A 1 in 4 trade. It looks amazing.
What have you gone for? 3,560 short.
No, I just locked it in. I do 3560. Maybe
Three
I need
five
to do
six zero
6. No, just 6.
up here.
3560, so a little bit higher up.
So here.
The
So
first,
here.
yeah, that one I'm looking to short that as we don't make a new all-time high. I got my stop at 3562.5. I'm looking for like 1,000 pips to like 3550. That's my target.
I might follow you in on that on the stream account.
Did I put it correctly in? Let me see. Yeah, I can put like a little bit more. No. Maybe I'll do extra in that market. Yeah, 5 more minutes. Pretty interesting because are you expecting some? Oh no. What do you think about the thing I was talking about, the Russian paintings?
I think it's really interesting. I'd had my eye potentially on whether or not you'd have some Russian stocks.
Oh yeah.
Because I think they may be quite interesting plays.
Some Russian oil stocks.
Go on, keep it pushing.
Are there some Russian oil stocks you can think of?
I don't know if Gazprom is still listed at OTC in London.
Yeah, you have Gazprom, Tafnet, Rosneft.
Yeah, you've got Rosneft. Rosneft is that used to be owned by BP.
We'll send you the list of all the companies. What might?
I also have a list to send you, Hugo, that I pulled together called Project Rebuild, which is what is it? It is basically a load of concrete stocks. So when an agreement is made, this is pushing up now. I can just tell this is going to come up here and just boom, nuke.
Yeah. I really hope it won't take out my stop loss.
Oh, it'd be glorious. It hits my
would be really
TP of my DGen one. And then nuke straight back down. We've got 2 minutes until jolts.
Yeah.
Actually, no, we've got 1 minute. 1 minute till jolts. So we are. I won't show it on this screen, but so previous was 7.44 million, and the forecast is 7.38 million.
Should be interesting. It is in 1 minute, yeah.
Yeah.
1 minute 44.
Consolidating.
And the forecast.
25 seconds. You ready for this to go a bit nuts? I might actually minimize some of these so I can have both screens open.
Is it already out?
4 seconds. Pending. Give us a god candle.
Why is it not coming?
Pending. Oh, here we go, Hugo.
I'm not filled yet. Fill me.
Here we go. Come on.
You got the numbers already?
No, it's still pending, but it's pushing up really
Factory.
here.
Oh. It's 7.1.
Missed.
Yeah. Ooh, that
That's
should be
nasty
bearish.
That is.
But that
That means cuts are coming.
Ooh, that would be bullish for Bitcoin.
What's Bitcoin done?
The market is pumping.
Yeah.
Ooh, and now I'm scared about my short. Ooh. It's an interesting one. How can they miss it so hard? They're not like a small miss, I would say.
Yeah. That's
It could be eyeing up for a bullish September then.
yeah.
Hmm.
So I'm hoping that this sweeps up to 3560 and then reverses back down.
Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, of course, like the news should be priced in. Hmm. It's interesting what it's going to do. But there's so much. Like I'm always thinking, who is buying this much that we get the liquidity pump? Because this is
Ooh.
costing so much money.
Considerably more doubt over interest rate cuts this year. Bank of England governor warns. They're worried about
Hmm.
inflation, aren't they? Big
Yeah.
time.
I mean, inflation
Come
can
on.
definitely come.
We're starting to hit some resistance now.
Yeah. Putin says there's light at the end of the tunnel.
In other words, that man is going skint.
I promise Zelensky
Oh
safe
no.
passage and exit out of Russia. He may bring his comrades as security if he wishes. He's definitely taking his comrades with him.
Come on, one final push on gold. Take us up to 3560.
It could be happening now. But like he's really asking for him to come. And he said like, if Zelensky's not coming, I think he wants war.
Yeah, 100%.
I think he won't feel too safe. That's the reason why he won't be coming. But
I
could
mean,
be
they
me.
have tried to assassinate him multiple times.
Yeah, it would be like the biggest thing. I can see them like killing him and then say, okay, now it's over. But we needed to let him die or something.
Yeah.
Ooh, Bitcoin is now a little bit. I'm maybe. I'm not sure if the gold push is still coming. Uh,
I just need a little push up.
on the 1 minute, there's definitely a really big fair value gap.
Yeah. I'm hoping it comes in clips. It might be that 35595 may have been the magic number.
Yeah. Hmm. It's interesting.
Either way.
How do you think that, like, yeah, I'm always like in my head, how is someone at the other side of the computer who's like making the move to market makers on gold? What would they be thinking right now?
Let's liquidate everyone.
But then you make a new all-time high.
That's very true. Come
Or
on.
you front run all the orders.
Come on. Give it a nice push up. This might be the candle that takes us to profit.
I'm already in some nice
I'm
profits.
in my runner, but I want to get tagged into a short and tagged out of these.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, and it's nice and sunny now.
Hmm. It was a nice retest what it made, the 3554.
Yeah, down here.
Mm, No, like literally the where we just jumped off from.
There.
There, and then there. Yeah. I sort of see there was sort of level. Mm, hmm. Maybe not.
Turning a little bit now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hmm. Although there's still a lot of strength here. I actually think might be around there.
Yeah. Always like that Awero is always pumping.
What is, sorry?
Awero is cents back, somewhere there. And it was a really nice decision. When it came back in April, like 40 cents, I was like, at some point, Coinbase is so rich. They're making all-time highs after all-time high on their stocks, and then there will be a
I
time where
had,
it's moving.
yeah, Circle were getting interesting. Circle were getting near to my zone. So even Nvidia's gone green today, so obviously quite bullish today.
Yeah. Google
Uh,
8.5% up today.
this is what I had marked out for Coinbase. So I like that it's held this daily level multiple times.
Yeah.
And I've also put this in. I think this IPO price will be defended.
Oh yeah, of course.
Circle, on the other hand, I might have to check my brokerage. I might have had a bid. I might have had bid number one accepted.
Mm.
I was so patient.
Yeah, you're really waiting. Circle was, what was the acquiring? It was like I forgot what the company did, Circle. Is it where they're buying crypto?
Um, gold is taking a
Shitter.
bit of a dump.
And I'm definitely annoyed I didn't want in.
Look at that. Look at that for a candle.
These
I'll
one
tell you
minute
what, though,
candles can be quite rough.
it's a beautiful back test from where it left there. You can see we
Yeah.
had support there. Acted as a little bit of support there. That was a. It's actually off this one, isn't it? Off that.
Yeah. Hmm.
It's the euro doing. Euro's had a really nice pump.
Huh. I should watch more to the euro. My plans are to trade more euro dollar and
Yeah.
more gold. And maybe oil or something. Not too much crypto wise because I always get like my bullishness or like I think it should go up. Like with these things I really don't care where the dollar stands. Or gold. I don't own it or it will be like a 1% move.
This is what I was chatting to
Oh
Block
yeah,
about
the other.
the other day. Look at that for a chart.
That thing is also pumping.
That thing is up only. Orange juice in a range.
The orange juice
Oh,
trader.
oh,
Ah, your TP got
oh.
hit.
My TP got hit. I didn't take the trade, but I did say watch for a rejection in this zone. Chocolate. This thing is quite fun to trade. Coffee.
You traded on Prime XBT, right?
Yeah, yeah. Gold's moving back up.
So it's
Lead. gosh, someone's been doing a lot of selling. Look at the candles on that.
This is our candles. But what is the daily this?
Yeah.
This is for. I'm not sure if you're looking at the proper exchange.
Yeah, that doesn't look particularly rosy, does it? I don't hold on to that.
This looks quite scammy or anything.
Yeah. What else do we have?
Uh,
Gold moving back up. Silver is a monster.
it's also making all-time
This
highs.
is one that I'm annoyed about. Gas. Because I've been eyeing up this.
Yeah, it makes a really nice return.
So I might, on this, look for a retest of here. If it retests here,
I can definitely see that.
I might long up to here. Where are we at for gold?
Yeah, gold is going back up. It was a nice retest, apparently, what we both missed.
What have we got? We've got Bitcoin all over the shop. Ethereum. Solana.
I always like to look at CRV. That thing can pump so hard. And it just got like it's like the finance project, the Eve of the DeFi. It's a really nice DeFi project.
What, CRV?
They're working quite well. Yeah.
Yeah, I always like to buy CRV when it's going down because it tends to, when it moves really aggressively. You can see aggressive, 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 aggressive.
Oh, what? The US now has more unemployed people than job openings for the first time since April 2021.
Yeah, that's rate cuts coming.
Yeah. The house market, the home market is destroyed, the job market is destroyed. They should be cutting.
Yeah, it's that is.
But Bitcoin is dumping on it.
I think a lot of this news was front run.
Yeah. Like not really dumping, but I was expecting more like a push than what we're seeing now. It's like 0.5%. It's interesting. Ah, my father's in the chat. I see him.
Oh, we put
But for real professional, you go. No, I'm not the real one. I'm the fake one. This is the fake you on the call. The real one is at home. Yeah. Are you still what are your plans for, because this will be your last month when you need to work in the office, right?
Yeah, so I'm unemployed at the end of the month. Yeah, no, it's I've been building out some stuff. So I've got some stuff on the side that I've been doing, like some odd jobs, and I've got stuff that I've been building out. Got Brent is taking a pummeling. Oil is down too. Yeah, I'm just playing around and building stuff. Really, I've had. I don't know if have you used much of Lovable.
Lovable. Currently, I'm not thinking. I know what is Lovable. What is it?
Oh, it's essentially you can build web applications in there with prompts, with AI prompts. So I've been using that.
Oh yeah.
I've been using that, Claude and Grok to build stuff. So that's where I built the betting thing.
Yeah.
And I've been playing around and building stuff. So there's some really interesting stuff. So I think for me, it's a little bit of a sabbatical to really sort of throw myself in to learn about that sort of stuff. And just build stuff and see what sticks. I've got ideas in my head. I've got a little challenge that I've got for myself that I'd like to create something new every month.
Oh, that's cool.
It's
Because
like
you have this
creating.
really cool podcast. Do you know there's also a guy who builds every month a new thing? What was he called? Uh, I will send it you later. I have to find it back. You will enjoy it. It's like a three and a
Yeah.
half hours. A Dutch guy. He lives like everywhere in the world. He's always traveling and he's always building.
Oh, yeah. It's really interesting. Like you can just have an idea to build. So I'd be quite keen on the thing you mentioned, that AI model. Is it'd be interesting to see
Yeah.
what we could build, and you could build your own parameters into it. I don't think we'll be experts in quantitative finance, but if you can
Yeah.
find something that gives an edge, gold's pushing it really nicely again.
Uh, no, it is
We might
Peter
get
Levels is his name.
okay. If you stick it in the private chat here,
Yeah.
I'll go back to it.
Well,
We might get filled on our
cool.
short here, Hugo.
That would be nice. I will send it you on Discord because I looked it up on my phone.
Easy, that works perfectly for me.
Mm, yeah, maybe we're getting filled finally. This is a really
Yeah,
cool
cool.
podcast. He talks 3 hours. He's like a Dutch guy because you are still looking to travel or not really? Because you wanted to go to like maybe go abroad to like Thailand or something like that.
I think travel around as well is part of it. So yeah, it'd be really interesting. It'd be nice to sort of just take a step back from the corporate world. Come on, one more push
Mm.
on gold.
$2 more and I'm happy.
I have 2 orders to be fair, so I front run myself a little bit.
Yeah, so then normally I have my 360 and I got like now my market order. I want to do like a market order at some point.
Are we going to push up?
Are we going to grab the liquidity before going down?
It's fighting.
S&P is down a little bit today. Oh no, okay, so that's zero. And now it's just making a push
Oh,
down.
here we go.
Ooh, I am looking to do a market short as well. Uh, a small market order. And still have my other one in play.
Go on, push up one more time, please.
I
Here
got
we
filled
are.
on my
Right.
second order. Don't
It's
fucking. But now we don't need one more push. I'm done.
I am also
Fucking
now
gold.
in.
Why are we still pushing? Straight lines down only. Ooh, this is a good candle.
Come on.
That 1 minute candle is quite a big, quite a big one. James is in the chat. James Sutworth.
Oh.
Good afternoon, James.
Hello. Good afternoon. Hugo and I haven't really had any major discussion apart from talking AI and just live trading gold on the 1 minute. I said I'd jump on the 2 minute chart. Although I will say, if you've been following Hugo and I on this, you would be quite nicely in profit on both sides.
We took the long and we took the short.
Although it is pushing back up again here.
Yeah, I was hoping that this 3 minute candle would be a bearish one, or like a not how it's directing.
I don't know if we sweep here this wick.
Yeah. It was looking better before.
Oh,
Coming back down.
this is degenerate. I don't know if I have to apply a gambling warning to this. Oh, come on,
Why
give us a
are
bearish candle.
I'm closing a little bit, maybe.
Give me bearish. Oh,
This is not too bearish. The sweeping. I think we're paying for block cross dinners tonight. He will be definitely longing.
I did manage to get a nice little portion out though when we went down to 3559.
I didn't, and I feel sad about it. I was hoping that we.
Give us a sweep.
But if we are getting a sweep, it will be my. I think I will. It's literally at all-time high zone. This was the highest. Fuck. What are you thinking? Just...
We sweep.
I will get stopped out. Yeah, I got stopped out. Fuck. This is block cross dinner. Spot is in the chat. Nice to see you. We just paid for block cross dinner. I'm certain of that.
Oh, to be fair, I had a nice. I made some nice money on the long. This is just now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not even like on your chart. It is gone.
Here we go.
It's gone on your chart. That's the reason why you should always use the stop loss.
I'm just annoyed I left my run. I didn't leave my runners open.
Yeah. I can understand that.
I would have loved a runner up there.
Yeah, what is Bitcoin dominance doing lately?
Let's have a look. That
also had a retest.
That's just going to make me sad. Bitcoin dominance, yeah. I don't want to look at that on the 1 minute.
There's like nothing to see in the 1 minute.
Yeah, here. Bitcoin ETH back along this retest. Ethereum dominance is creeping up again. What else have we got? Have I got it on here? No, that's what I need to put on. So there is they've added a new symbol. I don't know if you've seen it. Is
the stable dominance.
Yeah, so you have
Yeah, I was looking sometimes as USDT dominance, You could
Yeah,
have
so
some
this,
retest on that.
yeah,
But
you
this
don't have the
combines it.
history on this. You don't have the history on this anymore, but this includes both US, this includes all stables.
Oh, that's quite interesting. This gold is pushing up.
Yeah.
I remember that I heard Block Pro saying that he was like looking at 3,600. It's like a few months back that should be the all-time high of gold. That we move down after that. I'm curious what he thinks now. Where is all the money coming from to put all this gold pumping? Would you take now the long on 361? 360? 361 on gold. Do we get the retest there? I don't think I will take it, but it looks interesting. Mm.
Yeah, nice. Nice tweet back down. We should have targeted up here, really, Hugo.
There's your screen. Yeah.
But it's silver is what? Oh, that's platinum.
Yeah.
I've not got silver in this list.
I think they will look quite similar. Also, what thing? Or if we do like a small glass ball challenge, what do you think will be like the sole end of cycle target?
For
Yeah,
Bitcoin? Oh, for Solana.
for Solana.
I know where my exit is. So I've got it marked out.
Yeah, you don't think we'll get a new all-time high?
If we do, I'd rather trade it up there. I just see so much. I mean, there's so many sell orders up here that it just feels too easy to give it to them. There'll be so many people who are trapped from the Trump coin. It just feels too easy.
Yeah, like I'm also thinking like who like we got the big Solana push was for all the meme coins and like the Trump coin. Like why would it push that much higher? I think the more money will flow into ETH.
Yeah,
this is an interesting thing.
ETH has more upside.
Yeah, definitely.
Look at that. Look at the strength on that since.
I'm also like looking at the Trump meme coin. That thing is still quite high. At like $8, $8.4.
What's
did
World
the
Limited
Melania
Supply doing? I think I still have a small position left in this. Although I'm not sure what's left after that. I was about 60% out of it. I sold here. I longed, I think, down here. Yeah, I longed at 22. I longed here and sold here.
Oh, that's quite nice. So nice. But the Melania token is down really bad. There's like no volume on it.
Imagine my shock. Yeah, stocks are starting to turn. The market, yeah, stocks are starting to turn red now. The excitement's worn off. This is an interesting one for any stock traders. I feel like this is beginning to roll over.
Yeah.
That
What do you think of the Melania token? Melania token is like that. I'm looking at it, there's like no volume on it. It's really down badly.
Yeah, that's horrendous. Talent is showing some strength. Oh, my runner's doing well. I've got some options for this as well at $20.
Oh, that's quite nice.
I might see what they're trading at.
Goodbye, Spud.
Oh, is Spud gone?
Yeah, he said he is back to calls now, but he was listening in.
Nice.
Busy week.
Nice. Thank you very much. Oh, I might drop off in a minute, Hugo.
Also the project. Need to rest. Ooh, gold is dumping a little bit.
Gold is dumping.
No, I like dumping, not dumping. We're talking the 1 minute chart. So nothing what we for the people listening in, we are looking at the 1 minute chart of gold, so we have quite some clear levels. And that's really local. But someone asked us what are our thoughts on chain link?
I like
my
Link.
Opinion, yeah.
I like Link. I can share a chart for Link. Actually, no, I've got two charts. So this is one chart I've got for Link if you want to trade it between levels. Who asked it? James. I will download and send you this on Telegram. And then I've got my personal Link chart. Ooh, quite a lot of green in here.
Yeah.
I can see Link.
The day's getting greener.
I did have... Oh, there it is. Yeah. So that's my personal Link one. So I was buying here. Broke out there and I was taking profits around here. I think we have a bit more work to do to work through this liquidity zone.
That's nice.
What else do I have in it? I really like AVAX.
But do you think Link can go back to the all-time high?
I'm not sure. I mean, those
feel like really high up, but
those feel really high. Tia.
Yeah.
Arbitrum. I really like Arbitrum. I bought some more of this the other day.
Yeah, it's a really nice project. It's like I also enjoy it. It's quite like the network. I think it's quite fast. I'm not sure who is mostly using it, but yeah.
Cow. Arbitrum. Robinhood use it for their crypto.
I was also last week or the week before, I had a call with Robinhood, and they're really pushing some stuff in Europe.
Yeah, I use it for options. It's quite good. What else do I really like? I like Scroll. This is one I'd say keep your eye on. This just feels like once it breaks past here, we'll move quite aggressively to here.
Oh
yeah. What else have I got?
Yeah.
I like
CTIPS. There are a lot of coins if they're breaking. Oh, Celestia, I love.
Yes, Tia. STG is no more. ZRO, I want this to start running.
That you $21. Imagine buying it for $21 in 2024. Yeah. I'm not sure if this chart can go back too much, your chart, but it is like, it is not even that long ago.
Could you imagine
like there are definitely people who we will know. Yeah.
I like optimism as well. And I think the layer twos are now starting to have their time in the sun again, because I noticed that Ethereum's got expensive again for transactions.
Ah,
It's like $20, I think, now to send on ETH.
$20 again? It was like at
Yeah,
$5 a few
ADA.
weeks ago.
This is tasty. This is one, James, if you're feeling a bit degenerate, is I don't know what this does, but Justin recommended this one. I wouldn't trade this on perps, but it moves quite aggressively when it moves up. This is coming now into a key zone. I really like
Oh,
Injective.
the banana zone.
What
Also
else?
Kronos. Have you ever used the Crypto.com card?
I don't know. And I've seen that started rallying. This short is dead.
Yeah.
This is a scam coin.
No,
Look at the state.
yeah,
Of
the Crypto.com card is quite nice to use. They're pushing
yeah.
now with the Trump family.
Speaking about exchange tokens, have you seen the state of this?
Whoa. I haven't seen this. What? Which exchange is this? CVT?
This is Coin.
What is this?
Yeah, this is an exchange. It's Coin W. Do you know what the worst bit is? I actually looked at buying some of this here and didn't end up doing it. But this is still like a really low market cap, which makes me think that they've basically bought up the entirety of supply.
Oh, that could be a thing. And the coin I'm also always holding is the M2 exchange. The token is MMX. That is one I'm always looking when this will pump. Because they
MXX.
rebranded their whole website. Yeah, MMX.
MMX. This one, Global
I
Wealth
always
Exchange
think the
Uniswap.
website, yeah. No. You MMX M2 Global Wealth Limited. It's the M2 exchange. It's like a Saudi exchange as this one, is it? Sometimes
Okay.
it's pumps, but it's like a Saudi exchange, and I think they're quite well backed, if I'm not correctly. I remember talking to about it with Christian, uh, and yeah, their website looks quite clean. I think that they were like from the Saudis who want to get into crypto and everything, and that they're always but they didn't really move the token too much.
No.
I think at some point they will moving because they updated their website completely. They have a really cool website. They have some nice partners. I'm not sure, but it could be involved with like the not certain if it was with involved with the Saudi royal family or like the investment companies because they want a way to get into crypto and having your own exchange could be a really good thing.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, and before they had also perps on their exchange, but they stopped with doing that. They're now like only like an exchange like Coinbase. I think when they are changing some things up, there's always a reason.
Mm. This looks really good. Render for a
Yeah.
large cap, that looks quite nice. But yeah, I've got to drop now anyway, Hugo. But it's a pleasure. If
Yeah.
you're around next week, I'd love to have you on.
It was good to talk to you.
Yeah, fantastic.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you for
I'll
everyone who
definitely be
tuned
up
in.
for that. I hope someone took our trades and made some profits.
Yeah, me too.
With the winner and the loser.
Right.